Allah aboa no Kennedy no MPP ya guno
Mr. Todana wo dwene
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Allah aboa no Kennedy no MPP ya guno
Mr. Todana wo dwene nsem bi papa no mo ka kire ye bra yesusu a ne nuoma bia ye fa mu nkura bere mu a utimu se ya papa no mo ha ye bebre bra yesu a yesusu ne ya papa no mo ka tu ye tirimu se nipa bia wo chen ye bia ni munyansa sa anya no kre ya ni firadi ye ne ehu se ntesa nipa bia wo chen wo eni munyansa sa na anya no kre baako sei na ya ni firadi eni ehu se ensem bebira ya papa no mo ka tu ye tirim kura bere mu ye hu adwuma tugu kwa wuhia we no osono ma no agene no ma na suti so ade ya wo ye pani niwa no ankasa nipa no onam no eye afunumu no age afunumu no ma nipa na son sa wo ye pani na wodi wanim na wodi kodwa ne fie we wo fie ne ya maame no mo haye wo wo fa pie nsuo ni na diem gwei we nyina ne ya kanto omo afra mpanimfo na wotifia na wafaasefo osumwe mi hu pani be ma tenten gram a ni tiso sa akwa wo ya wagimi saada mani firadi dabi mi hu bi da we na etu Kennedy Japan fo se Kennedy DMPP achibie ma obe hye no ho o de petro begunu ho atwaja atum Kennedy a wo pema mpani adi ni futufo ne akwa we na we mu yesa wo hia ni pasia de so obo mu ase chia no we ekomkura de wana wo koto achia akwa we ade ya wo ye pani ye papa no aka wo ya atu ye tirim ni yesusa adi enya bepem ne ye nyini ye ne ehu se ebi kura ye mo na atofo bi fiefe nkwada we nu mu nyina da ya som wo mo bra yesusa akwada kro wo mfie miensa enum nyansa chen we na wa pon suku a wasa wo kofie kopa aduane di na we sunu ma no wage na so kon so na odidi nachi ade ya machia pani me de ne no ma ekofie ama akwa we yo gina hoyi wo kura wa yese ledabo a adwo uwumui MPP na abegu no wo gina hoyi a wa yese ledabo football adwo no umui MPP na obegu no waye na nimu tentene sa afunumu na enkwase asam nko a onya twe camera sinito onka nyansasam da kanya nsasam da we tifie na wofaase bi owo ho ne ye ha no no wo fufuo ma we di mi why one wo se wo fufuo ma na wofaase di ye tete wofaase fu e wo fie konsuo wo ayisuo ni wo wofaade mu we ya kan na fra mpani ho no wo ha mofra wo fie kwa nyansa ba kokura ni nitiri na mofra tifie sumwe afurumu antesa awaso no na ya di ayi ankurasi ni timani konsu ogu ahina mu no ne ye ha nkwada na wo bepem ampani adi sa oman ubedi oman so na wo futufuo ni dia ene ewudi ne ewuye awasa wo ye ne ye chen se kura Kennedy Japan we num na etufuo ufutufuo ni Ghana kroka kraka ye da hai wanya nipa bi amana ntufu we mo ene etufuo ene wo kwantwa ufutufuo ne chanchambo we de ene wo kwantwa papa
eno so me Greater Accra me ye galamsey wa nkran wa hu galamsey wuntumi tu galamsey e wa Accra anenye sa abeti wo gina ho say ahemfofo no ene ayutiama wuntumi ne wo mutu galamsey and so President John Dramani Mahama kura ba bontia beka say NDC fo ne ka ho bi ne wo mutu galamsey no yentie President John Dramani Mahama.
The final one is illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society, and I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved the circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved.
Okay. The President of Ghana timi aba bontin aba be kire nkofo wo mu ye galamsey esa so kase ye our own people esa so kase NDC for ka ho na wo mu ye galamsey ya ade na kire se wotimi ehu nkofo wo mu ye galamsey ya ade na kire se sa person wo wontimi stop no as a President of Ghana wo atimi aba bontin aba kire wo na wo mu ye galamsey. I didn't think I won't put you stop for those people one more galamsey. I didn't think I won't can't tell no moon jai. Or see NDC for can one more galamsey no. Because MPP feel so na NDC ba na one more change shift no set away a woman be percentage. To let that means no only 100% say this is the kind of people so one more galamsey. Inti as a president who nim say nkofo we na wo mo ye galamsey and galamsey ni so betimi generate to be before from na galamsey na wo mo ye ni betimi asai o man Ghana na betimi asai kuro no na wonim nkofo na wo mo ye galamsey ya adentire sa nkofo na wonim wo mo no uma wo mo njai sa galamsey ni ye dentia anya wo Kevin Taylor na wo ba bontin beka say president
Joanna da no simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we just yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the person is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and it goes on and no more say. it is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abeya. It is a can of the was I what to me was I mean, say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, and most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on the fund free seniors who so may comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them corner. I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common into the queen in a home. Politicians need common into them queen in a home. Market women among common into them queen in a home. Obian cannon into them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Ah, yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bi invest kwa ye kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open koko kitinkiti. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then yet any in ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E dey Rajon Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I got for so can you better banana boom 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear ko ye kwade e menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region. Now me say films eh Remona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Oko any letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya juma order. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh dependent boy. Oh sister, I'm not. We say for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwa dan. And Nam one. Yes. Not just say. Was it no crowd during the say. State institution we are intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply good between June 2025 to June 2026. Within 4 or 5 months, what you supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business. And nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Say osusi say nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement. Ama o grant o mi bo mo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. O court no. What will really the tiao? Say, this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account. Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the unique case. What ferry a konakoda fe the old defediana, I feel was by our say, and yeah. Mokra mweda mempemu bium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa maye no issue document say we fugitive wo dwane tango personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda and so sad
no Raymond wankasa me ne matine ma ba emiensa bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the mema hu no wo the very soon be recordings e be pie
very
soon recordings are EBP.
Agyeta.
And this state institutions are on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya nsori amfa na nsi fo ma Agyeta